So what's your good name, bro?
Huh? ID.
ID.
Yeah.
Your name is ID.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Kublai perok kesngi ke bakamen yepi baro. Te lingba kani ke video ngakwa ban peni yepi ya ke jing internet ba ye ke jing develop jong kanong ba ha Kuala Lumpur nadu ki surok hadu ki building nang ta bat kiwe pat kiba shisha kalong ke eki ke bapla. Hakani ke journey ke jongi mata kesngi ni yelek sha ka yo ka baju tip kum ke Chinatown bat kani ke di ke yo ke batat bat ke bangila ban pandor hakani ke yo. Alo prolog te mata kesngi nga kwa ban lek cete sha po Chinatown kadi ke we ne ke jaka ka ba he ba ka yo ka hat bat ke ong ru ba kadi ka jaka ka bangila ban ya ban ye ji tigi mat mata bat ka dor ka kambit ke nakwa ban lepik ya ketika Chinatown mata tu try nya bam haga we ke jaka ka baponam ni ko Kalampur kamati ong ka street food mata kadau kelam na pansan mitang ladan kali ya ini ada explore lang ya ketika yo nakabenta wala ra filmdan bat ni sini rengan ba ini enjoy the video maka jeng video jadi mata kasi kaba kamsung tanat chusu kolong ba hakani ka journey ngalayo bani keren shibun ba ki bat u driver ubanya ya kakali kajongi sayo.
Where you come from, sir?
Came from Northeast India.
Northeast India. Okay. Come
Yeah.
for holiday, huh?
We came for for some walk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we just spent another more 2-3 days.
Oh. So
Yes.
so after this, go back home.
I'll be going back home tomorrow. Yeah,
Oh, tomorrow.
tomorrow. Our
East
flight
India, huh?
Northeast India.
Not East India.
Correct.
Ah.
Correct.
Bombay.
Not Bombay.
Delhi.
Not Delhi. But we have a different province.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Nearby Everest, Mountain Everest.
We are in Assam side.
Oh.
Mm.
So your place to Mountain Everest.
Mountain.
How many,
Yes.
How many hours take?
How many hours?
From your house going to.
I stay in the hillside only.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I stay in the hillside.
Nearby Everest Mountain, eh?
Everest mountain is far. It's not near to us.
Uh-huh.
But our area also
You
is
can see the big mountain
in the winter.
in the winter.
In the
I
winter.
see.
If we wake up early in the morning, we can see the Mount Everest.
Very high, huh?
Very high, yes. So what's your good name, bro?
Huh? ID.
ID.
Yeah.
Your name is ID.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So what music do you play the most?
Play music?
Ah.
No, I don't play music.
You don't play music in the vehicle.
No. Just,
In the vehicle you play or not?
I just listen to radio lah.
Only radio.
Listen radio. I love to hear the DJs
Okay.
speak. Then
Love to hear DJ song.
song. No lah.
No,
No. I don't.
only DJ music.
Yeah, DJ only. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes lah. Sometimes because. No.
So how many hours in the day you used to drive?
6.
Six?
7.
7 hours.
7 hours working lah.
Okay.
From 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
In the night.
Sometimes 8 hours, sometimes 7. Normally 7 lah.
You are originally from here.
Original people.
You are original from Malaysia.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Only Malaysian people can drive Grab.
Only
In
Malaysia.
Malaysia lah. In Malaysia, only Malaysian. If in Indonesia, only Indonesian.
Who can drive Grab?
Can drive Grab. Nothing else can.
So how many years you have been driving?
7, 6
6 years.
6 years. But this year 7.
Next year it will be 7.
Now 10 October, right? October, September.
October, November,
December.
December.
Habis,
Ah. So we love your country, Malaysia. It's beautiful, and we have visited that Cameron Highland.
Cameron Highland,
Yes. So
but traffic jam, Cameron Highland.
very much traffic
so
jam. Yes.
Still good.
Still good. Very good. It is very similar to our state, our province.
You go by bus?
No, we go by
Grab.
not by Grab, by
Agent.
minibus.
Travel agent.
Not travel agent, but it's
minibus.
yes.
How much? You how many days? How much you?
How much I pay?
For
Lots of money.
a lot,
Oh, lots of money.
Yeah. But still cheap, right?
It's not cheap. It's
Not
very
cheap.
costly. It's very costly because we came from India. Okay, and moreover, the ringgit now it has increased. You know, it has the dollar has come down. So that's why we have to pay a lot of money. How much petrol per liter? This is a petrol car?
RM2. I don't know. I know RM20. Sometimes RM30. Like that. Yeah.
But I heard it's about 1.5 to 1.7 per liter.
I think 2 lah. No need lah. I know cheap lah. The RON 95 cheap. If you take around 97 green colour, expensive. That's all lah.
Okay.
No need to check.
Kani kedai ke entrance jong kata at Chinatown. At ya ngin yorong siya po jong kani kayo. Hadin bengilayo abani syangi kani kayo lajan baru si janmiet. Kabas ngautanat kalong ba ngim siyampoy perkat bengilayo ya kabandrung hakaway ke restoran kabapau nambah kani ke restoran kapa kerteng lai ke kabay sarim bat ka kentin jong ki porok ke jengi na jantia kabamut letkay.